Are you looking for a natural solution to transform your hair and bring back its health and shine? Discover the incredible benefits of pollen, an age-old remedy for boosting hair health. Stick around to learn how this nutrient-rich powerhouse can revitalize your locks and take your hair care routine to the next level. Taking care of our hair is more important than ever. Hair is a vital aspect of our personal appearance, but over time, factors like pollution, stress, and poor nutrition can leave it damaged and lifeless. Many people are now turning to natural remedies to restore their hair's health and vitality. Among these, pollen has gained popularity for its impressive benefits. Today, I'll discuss pollen, explore its benefits, and demonstrate the best ways to use it for optimal results. Hair damage is a common issue we all face at some point. Breakage, dryness, itching, and a lack of shine are often caused by external factors and insufficient nutrients. If left untreated, these problems can worsen over time. So, what can you do to nourish your hair from within and address these issues naturally? Let's talk about why pollen is making waves in the world of hair care. Pollen is packed with essential vitamins like vitamin B, zinc, selenium, and proteins that strengthen hair follicles, improve flexibility, and reduce breakage and split ends. It also contains powerful components that promote scalp health, addressing dryness and itchiness while encouraging healthy hair growth. The result: softer, shinier, and healthier hair with a natural glow. Let's explore for simple methods to seamlessly integrate pollen into your daily routine. Take pollen supplements. Consume pollen as a daily nutritional supplement, preferably before meals, to enhance nutrient absorption. Mix it with water, juice, or yogurt for an enjoyable experience. Create a pollen hair mask. Grind pollen into a fine powder and mix it with natural ingredients like honey, coconut oil, or aloe vera. Apply the mask to your scalp and hair, leaving it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing with a mild shampoo. Add pollen to shampoo. Blend a small amount of ground pollen into your regular shampoo. Use the shampoo as usual, massaging your scalp to maximize nutrient absorption. Use pollen oils. Purchase commercial pollen oils blended with other plant-based oils. Apply to your scalp before bedtime and leave it overnight or for a few hours before rinsing. Each method nourishes the scalp and hair, making pollen an incredibly versatile and effective addition to your routine. With consistent use of pollen, you'll notice visible improvements in your hair's texture, strength, and overall health. It's not just a quick fix, it's a holistic solution that works from within to address the root causes of hair damage. Excited to try pollen for healthier, shinier hair? I've got you covered. Check the description below for links to high-quality pollen products available on Amazon and Walmart. Whether you're looking for supplements, oils, or other options, you'll find what you need to get started on your hair care journey. And don't forget to tune into the next video where I'll show you different ways to create natural hair masks using pollen. Stay connected for more tips and tricks to elevate your hair and wellness routine.